Uh, just wait for it. I hope so my screen is visible to everyone right now. Okay, thank you for your question. Yes, I am back. I have just encountered a network issue in the university itself. Okay, we were at yes, if until or unless that data is available in my Excel sheet right now, this graph is available over here. I can change this data, and it will begin to affect my chart at immediate basis. But if I am copy pasting this graph at any other location, that can be a word itself, or that can be any other location, that can be WhatsApp group or WhatsApp, it will be going to go with by pasting it as an image, and I will be not able to change the data at that particular time. That is a difference if I am working in this particular location only, or if I am pasting it this chart or graph to any other location. Then you can just go with various options to edit or format this chart from this particular location. I can go with shadows, glows, soft edges, 3D formats that can be done, size, properties, and so that can be changed from this particular location: fill, solid fill, no fill, border, which type of border it has to be, and so that can be changed from this particular location format chart one. Then so that is very first one. Now this is one, this one is your bar graph. Then I have created a bar graph. Now if I'm going with chart is your pie chart or something like that. So that is, now bar graph can be created very easily for any type of data. Any type of data, the bar graph can be created. But if I'm going with pie charts, the pie charts can be created only for those things where you can classify or diversify any specific thing into a percentage. Then so let us go with any sales, that in this one year I have got this much of sales, or this much of percentage of loss, this much of percentage of profit, and so the 100% has to be divided into percentage itself. Then so let us go and create one percentage, one column over here. 2015, I will go with 15 again, 30 and 30 and 20, 50. Let us go with 150 over here. Then so I will be going to go with profit, sales, loss, income. Then so I will be going to go with by creating a pie chart for this selected one data. I've gone with this one. Now you can see this chart is available along with me. Then so that is profit one, how it will be going to classify. And so right click over here, go with, you can say that add labels, add data labels, add data labels. Now these are available over here. Now blue one is your 20%, this one orange one is your 15%, gray one is your 15%, orange one is your 50%. Then so you can just go with this series, that how that can be mentioned over there. If I am going with this adding of a data again, or the format of the series, that can be done from this particular one. So these are different type of you can say options available over there. I can just go with this one also, that 20 out of 20%, 50 out of 50%. So this one is available over there. This is available. Any type of other you can say options can be applied. You can change the colors according to your choice. Now sales is 15 to 15%. Profit is 20 to 20%. It will begin to convert it into a percentage one. Now this is your format data series. I have just gone with the labels. I can just change the series also. Instead of this 20, it will be going to mention the percentage only. Then, so you can just go with those options also available over there. If I'm having this one data, so go with this one. Then it will be going to show you the percentage only. 15, 20%, 15, 20%, 45%. So that will be going to work accordingly. Then if I want them to be outside, I can just mention them on the outside also. It will be now see that is in the black one. That is why I'm not able to just see it. If I'm changing it to this size, I can just change the size of this one. I can convert it into different pies available over there. I can format these series out of these one. So it will be going to show me with the arrows over there if the things are in less option available over there or the things are diversified at that particular location. Then, so let us say if I'm changing this one in 15 into 1%, then 1% is available over there. Rest others have been converted accordingly. 18%, 23%, 58% instead of 50%, it has automatically changed into 50%, 58%. So the things will begin to work accordingly. You have to be, first of all, available along with the data, that is diversifying it from 0 to 100 percentage. If you're not having that, it will begin to manipulate the data of the percentage according to its own choice. Then, so if I'm using it 78 over here, the other things will be going to manipulate it accordingly. Instead of 78, it has mentioned 68 only. Then, so 1% can be again used over here. One is available over there. So you can change the location of them as per your choice. One is available at that point, one is available at that. Then, so you have to just simply drag and drop them. You can change the this one name of the chart. It can be anything, percentage of sales, something like that. You can just mention that even though. Then, so charts work accordingly, graphs work accordingly. Then in other, you can just go with, you can say that line charts, scatter charts that can be also created. Now these are the scatter charts. So it will begin to work accordingly. You are having the scatters available over there. It can be used in data visualization, different type of data visualizations. I can just go with this one, 2D line charts, 3D line charts, and so these are being used for different type of things available over there. Then English marks, Hindi marks, math marks. So how they are being varying over there. You can just go with this can be used for population or that how the population is being increasing or decreasing over there for India or any other country or the state itself. So it can be used in your this sales also. It can be used in your uh, accounting one also. Then so different type of charts, different type of graphs are used at different locations. These surface graphs, radar graph, these are being used by the scientists to find it out. Any other anomalies over there. We are having these combos available over there. We are having histograms that can be created. We are having this waterfall models or the graphs available over there. Stock one available over there. So for the stocks one, stock is being used over there. And so done tree maps, sunburst, different type of things are available. Different type of graphs are available, and you can use them according to your own choice, which can be used or which has to be used at that particular time. Then, so this is related to your graphs and charts. Any queries from this graphs and charts, just let me know. I will be able to sort it out the same. If you're not having any type of queries, we can just go with uh, extra functions or formulas. That is very interesting one, and that will be helpful for you people only. No queries from your side? Okay. So let us go and let me show you one, you can say, function at this particular location, or the option that is available over here. I am entering a different type of uh, data at this particular location, random between 1 to 50. Then that will begin to fill near about these rows available over there, and I will begin to paste it for this data over here. Done. I am pasting it as a values at a same location, and I am replacing any random number over here, 22, and I have deleted the 22. 10 numbers have been deleted over here. Done. So let us delete some more, and let us make it to a single row. Okay, I have added one single row over here, and I am deleting 22 from this location. 4 cells have been deleted. Done. Now see, might be you are also getting this type of data in the future, or any time duration in your whole of the life, that you are having the data available along with you, but some of the rows are empty over there. Then for our instance, let us say that these rows are empty available over there. I am making it some more instead of 4. So these rows are empty over there, and how to delete these rows within a single go? Can anyone let me know that I want to delete these rows? Let us say that within a couple of seconds only. That can be 10 seconds only. Let us see that. Let us assume I want to delete these rows within a 10 seconds. Now, these are very little available along with you. Might be you are having a data of 10,000 rows. From those 10,000 rows, you have to delete those 50 rows that are randomly located at different locations. How you can do same? Any of you are aware of this? Anyone from your side is aware of this thing? Okay. Uh, Fine. I will begin to let you know. Just see, Aman, select that row, select that column where you are having missing data available. Let us say that in our instance, we are having the data available in A column. Then I have selected that A row, press F5. It will be going to ask me go to, or a box will be appearing in front of me that will be going to ask me go to. Select special over here and click it on blank. We want to go with the blank one options available over there. Click it on blank, click it on OK. Only blank one will be selected. Done. Now you can simply go and delete sheet rows. The empty rows will be deleted and your data will be having no empty row available over there. Yes, but how to do so? You have to do so for a single row. Shivani? Yes, a single row will be deleting, a single row will be a little bit difficult one. Na? If you are having 10,000 entries available along with you, and so I can just simply go over there, delete sheet row. Next is this one. I have to find it out where the next is, and so on. Hai? So to remove that time duration, or to eliminate that particular time duration, select that row where you have that empty rows available or that data is available over there. Select that particular row, press F5 key on your keyboard, go for special, go for blank, click it on OK. The blank cells will be automatically selected over there. Click it on delete sheet rows, the rows will be deleted. Again, Simriddhi, no issues. Let us say that I am having this data available over there. Control C. Okay. This data is available along with me. I need to delete the empty rows. Click on any of this row. Then A. I have selected that A. Press F5 key on your keyboard. F5. It will be going to show you a box available over here. Go for special. Select the blank. Click it on OK. The blank columns or that blank boxes will be selected. Go for delete sheet rows. The rows will be deleted. The empty rows have been deleted from your sheet. You are not having any type of empty row available now. Then, so let us take another scenario that I am having some of the boxes empty available over here. I have created a lot of boxes empty at this particular location. Now, how to check it out that which boxes are empty over here? I can go with the conditional formatting very easily. Done. So I can just simply go and apply a conditional formatting that highlight the cells, those are empty available over here. So I will be able to select these boxes available over here. I am making that conditional formatting just to make you aware of how many cells are empty over here. Then conditional formatting, go for new rule, format the cells that contain blank cells, format them, fill them with red color, click it on OK. These cells are empty in front of me right now. Then you're having a lot of cells empty along with you. Now, what I need is, I need to fill all of these boxes with specified number. That can be 0, or that can be absent, or that can be anything. How you can do the same within again a couple of seconds? That can be 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Let us go with 30 seconds. How many of you can do that within 30 seconds only to fill all these boxes with a specified absent or present or 0? Should we go for the same? Yes or no? Are you able to hear me properly? Okay, fine. Let us go with one thing. Now, how you can enter any specified value instead of this empty cells over there. Same thing, I will be going to go with F5 over there. Select special, select blank, click it on OK. I have selected all those empty cells. I will be going to mention A, B, S, E, N, T. Press Control plus Enter. After filling absent, instead of simple enter, press Control plus Enter. All of those boxes will be filled with absent. I have taken only, I think so, hardly 10 seconds to fill those boxes with the absent. Done. So any of the issue you have, same thing. I am just asking you, Ashmita, is it audible or not? Select all of this data. Now again, I'm not sure about it, why it is being happening. So I'm connecting it with university internet, and that is very good right now. So let us go with it once more. Select whole of this data. I'm speaking it very slowly now. Select whole of this data. I have selected all this data at a one go. Press F5. Again, same process. Special and blank. Click it on OK. Blank cells are active and selected right now in front of me. I can fill it out anything that will be filled in very first one blank cell only. Now see A, B, S, E, and T. I am not entering anything over here. After that absent, I have holded it over here. I am not pressing enter. Press Control plus enter. Instead of just an enter, press and hold Control and then press enter. It will be automatically going to fill all those selected cells within a single go. Is it clear now? Any queries? From my side, the topics are over. If you have any type of queries, just let me know. For your assignments, I will be going to share some instructions in your WhatsApp group only. Done. I've sent a message also over here. So still, if you have any type of queries from any of the topic from our day one to till now, just post it in a chat message. I will be going to sort it out the same, or you can send it. You can send a mail on the email ID that I've mentioned over there, and I will be going to reply you within half an hour or within 1 hour if I will be available on my system. If I am not available, it might take a little bit of a more time, but the reply, most of the replies are being done within half an hour or more than 1 hour. Aman, it contains the same scenario. Let us say that in this one only, these are your blank cells available over there. If I want to delete the blank cells from column A, I will be going to select that column A first. I have selected this column A. I will be going to go with F5, go with special, go with blank, click it on OK. The blank one has been selected over there. Go with delete and delete sheet rows. Or you can go with delete cells. So that is up to your choice. I will be going to go with delete sheet rows. The rows from only column A will be deleted. A1 is not having any blank available over there now. If I want to delete it from B, I will be going to go with selecting that B at one go by selecting that B from the top one. Again, F5, go for special, go for blank, click it on OK, click it on delete, sheet rows. From B, all of those blank has been deleted. And so, now if I'm deleting the rows, it will be going to delete the data that is available in column A also, column C also, and column D also. If I do not want to delete the data from columns, now see, if I'm deleting it from D, for second one row, we are having 31, 31 present over here. See, it will begin to delete those 31, 31 for row number 2, also row number 17, also those the 17s will be deleted, as if that is deleting the sheet rows. Now 31 has been deleted, 17 has been deleted, and so done. So if I'm going with, let us go with only the cells. Now 15 is available over here, 11 is available over here. I am selecting that C1, F5, special, blanks, okay. Delete cells. It will begin to ask me, do you want to shift the cells to upward? Do you want to shift the cells to the left? Or so? I will begin to shift the cells to the upward direction, as if that is being deleting the things from the top, and the things will begin to come back to the top only. 15 will be remain over there, 11 will begin to remain over there. See, the 15 is not affected, the 11 is not affected. But if I'm checking it out, the C last one, these cells have been deleted and shifted to the upward direction. These number of cells have been deleted over there. Done? Yeah, for sure. So if anyone is having any type of doubts, just post it in the chat message from my side. Today's session is over. So you can leave the session. Thank you. Regarding your assignments, I will begin to share in your groups only that how that has to be submitted over there. And if you have any type of doubts, you can post it in a chat message, or you can send an email to me on the email IDs, on the email ID that I have provided to you. Regarding the session videos that are available along with you, the notes are also available, handouts are also available along. So still, if you need any type of things, you can just let me know. I will be able to provide you the same. Thank you. I have checked it the same, dear Shivani, and I have replied the same also, that the links of the video are shared along with you in the groups. You can check it out the same. If you are not able to find it out the same, just let me know. I will begin to share the links to you also. So still, if any issues, you can just post it in the chat message. Thank you. I will begin to share the link along with you for the videos. No worries. Thank you. Thank you, dear.